Hi, today I am going to present to you the searching for the best detergent. And this experiment was conducted by Jimena Miranda Bravo, Carla Andrea Samarripa, Emilio Arzac, and myself, Allison Jimenez Garcia. So first, we're going to start with the experimental design. Basically, the objective was to discover which detergent worked the very best. Next up, we had some variables for this experiment. First, it was the independent variable, which was the different types of detergents. In this case, were the BO and the non-biodegradable detergents. Next up, we have the dependent variables. And in this case, we're just like how clean the shirts were at the end of the experiment. Next up, we have some control variables. And in these cases, just like a certain type of specifications, such as the sizes of the shirts, the color of the shirts, how much of the cleaning product is added, just some specifications like that. And we had, of course, an hypothesis. And our hypothesis was that the non-biodegradable detergents were more effective than the biodegradable detergents because most of them usually contain sulfates, and these are cleaning agents that help remove the stain a lot more faster and a lot more easier. And as we already know, the biodegradable detergents do not contain sulfates, and these slow down the process of getting rid of the stain. Next, we have the methodology. So in the first image, we show an example of the stains that we were placing on each of the t-shirts. In this case, the stain is chocolate ice cream. And in the other shirts, we put Maggi sauce. In the second image, after staining them, we immerse the t-shirts in buckets full of water. In the third image, we are pouring the different detergents that we chose into the t-shirts. In the fourth photo, we are brushing the t-shirts with the different detergents that we chose. At the fifth photo, at the end of the whole process, we let the shirts dry out in the sun. And in the final picture, we can finally see the two results of the test that we made, one with the chocolate ice cream and the other with the Maggi sauce. Next, we have the data collection. And in here we have a picture of the final results. In the first picture, we can see the Maggi sauce stain washed with non-biodegradable liquid detergent. In the second image, we can see the Maggi sauce stain washed with biodegradable liquid detergent. And the third one is a Maggi sauce stain washed with a non-biodegradable powder detergent. And the fourth picture is the ice cream stain washed with a non-biodegradable liquid detergent. In the fifth picture is the ice cream stain washed with biodegradable liquid detergent. And the final picture is again the chocolate ice cream stain washed with non-biodegradable powder detergent. And in here we are able to see the final results. Next up, for the data analysis, after doing the experiment, we got that the liquid detergent was the one that was the most effective because it worked with grease stains, such as the chocolate ice cream, and it dissolved better in the garment and it penetrates the fabric more easily, whereas the powder detergent is more erosive. Next, we get that the powdered detergent can only be fully dissolved at very high or very low temperatures. The biodegradable detergent helped to remove the stain with the Maggi sauce, but with the chocolate ice cream, it did not remove it completely. And this is because with the stains of the ice cream chocolate, um, they cannot be completely removed due to the absence of sulfates, which are what help to remove any type of stain. Next up, we have the safety standards. And for this experiment, our most important safety standard was that we had to wash our hands after doing the experiment because we know that the detergents contain some risky products and like it could basically harsh our skin. We also decided to do this experiment in a free area with free air and nature around. And we also decided to avoid the contact with the eyes and sensible areas. Next up is the critical question number 1. What are the ethical implications of using chemicals that may be harmful to the environment? And in this case, I have just a lot of products that are very harmful for the planet. First of all, the plasticizers results in human exposure and environmental contamination. Next, we have the water. The waste of this water generates a lack of water, which is not much in the world since only 97.5% of the water on Earth is found in the oceans and saltwater seas. Only the remaining 2.5 is fresh water. Next up is the fragrance. Each fragrance contains volatile organic compounds, and once you spray, the VOCs react with the sunlight and other chemicals in the atmosphere to form ozone pollution. And we have other products that also damage the planet very much. Next up, we have the critical question number 2, which is what actions or protocols can be put in place when designing new chemical that may be effective but harm the environment. So I think everything just is concentrated to informing and educating the people about the damages and all of the risk that all of these type of detergents can do to the planet. I just think that the most important thing to do is just to inform people. And I think that if they start placing bigger advertising about the damages in every single product, it will make a change. So basically, it's just to educate the people about all of the risk and all of the damages that we have done thanks to this type of non-biodegradable detergents. Next up is the critical question number 3. Does the use of the biodegradable detergents improve the quality of human life and the environment? First of all, we have them mild in nature. So one of the benefits of using a biodegradable detergent is that the clothes remain, in contact with your skin all day. And if you are utilizing harsh or chemical-based cleaning products, there are chances that some of the residue is left in the clothes that may come in contact with your skin. And organic products are hypoallergenic and are mild in nature, which is very beneficial for people with sensitive skin. Next up is environment friendly. We already know that organic products are designed and manufactured in such a way that the environment friendly and do not harm nature in any way. Next up is And at the end, it's just like help improving all of the world, such as air quality, the nature, using just like biodegradable detergents is gonna be like so, it's gonna become so beneficial for the planet. And at the end, we have the individual conclusions. And I really think that we should all start caring a lot more about the planet that we're going to leave to the future generations. And also, we should worry a lot more about the planet that we have right now, because the planet that which we are living right now is just like already so destroyed. And as humans, we should worry a lot more about having a more like cared um, planet than having cleaner clothes. So I think we should all start buying a lot more biodegradable detergents to make an impact and have just a cleaner planet. And finally, we have the sources, and that would be it. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.